All right, guys. So everybody's got PTSD from 2008 still. It's kind of annoying at this point, guys, because I got to be honest, I'm not trying to be critical or jerk, but when I was a loan officer, the mortgages that we were handing out at those times were terrible. They were people that shouldn't be buying homes, and they were bad loans on top of that, okay? Not everybody I can help, and I save a lot of people, help them buy them homes. Not all of them actually really should be buying a house yet, okay? They're not stable enough, and that's just a fact. That's life. We can't be soft-hearted on that, because what happened in 2008 was we were allowing everybody to buy a home and giving out bad mortgages on top of that, and look where it got us. Well, what everybody's worried about with PTSD is we're going to crash again. We're not, okay? These are good mortgages that people actually have to really prove their income, be credit worthy, and qualify for it. And I'm sure I'm going to get some haters on here about down payment assistance and everything else. Well, you know what? I don't want to hear it. That's negativity, and we have enough of that right now, okay? What is going on is, yes, next year we may have some problems with inflation and everything else. But one of the great things is we're in Arizona, and tons of people are moving here. A lot of them from California, back east, everywhere that's really been hit a lot during this whole pandemic and all the issues. So Arizona's thriving because supply versus demand. We have very little supply, we have tons of demand, we have values going up, and we have great interest rates. Now, if the stock market has issues and we see a lot of issues that kind of steamrolled from job losses and income losses and everything else that will affect the stock market is a completely different sector for the most part than the housing market. So if you're not investing in the stock market, you should be investing in housing, okay? They're good mortgages that are being handed out. People have tons of equity. There's not going to be a lot of foreclosures, and people are being offered the ability to defer their payments on the mortgage with help from the government, which is a whole other topic we can talk about. But the banks are cooperating this time. They're allowing them to take those payments you deferred and add them onto the back of the loan. They're not going, hey, you need to pay all of this to us at once or we're going to take your house, like they did back then, okay? Now, there may be some bad banks out there that are doing that, but those are one-offs because the majority, and that's what we have to worry about whenever we're doing predictions, is the majority, not the minority. Unfortunately, that's how it works, okay? So this is not going to crash. We're going to have a great market, and the best thing you can invest in is real estate, which is investing in you and your family.